Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 265. Let's begin with the basics of navigating your watch. You can interact with the device using its 5 physical buttons or the vibrant AMOLED touchscreen. To personalize your experience, easily customize your watch face and arrange data screens to display your preferred information. A quick press of the light button illuminates the display, while holding it down provides access to essential controls and settings. Next, let's explore how to track your fitness activities. The Forerunner 265 offers more than 30 built-in sports apps, allowing you to easily start and stop various workouts. For outdoor activities, its advanced multi-band GPS with Sat-IQ technology ensures highly accurate distance and pace tracking. After your session, you can immediately view comprehensive summaries of your performance, including heart rate zones and recovery time, right on the watch display. Now, let's dive into the powerful health and performance metrics. This watch continuously monitors your heart rate, analyzes your sleep stages for a sleep score, and tracks your daily stress. You'll also gain insights into your training readiness, which helps determine if you are primed for a productive workout, and receive VO2 max estimates. The body battery feature provides a clear picture of your energy reserves, helping you optimize your activity and rest. Finally, let's look at the smart features and connectivity options. Stay connected by receiving smart notifications for calls and texts from your smartphone right on your wrist. Enjoy your favorite music on the go with built-in storage for hundreds of songs, allowing for phone-free listening with wireless headphones. You can also make quick, contactless payments using Garmin Pay. All your activity and health data seamlessly syncs to the Garmin Connect app for detailed analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.